How to turn on off blur NSFW images on Reddit. Hey Reddit enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable or disable NSFW not safe for work content on Reddit. So whether you want to a filtered browsing experience or access to a wider range of content, this guide will help you adjust your settings in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu that pops up, simply tap on settings. And now from here you can simply scroll down and look for view options. And under that you can see the option labeled blur mature 18 plus images and media. It is also referred as NSFW. So you can simply toggle on and off that option. And once you have made your selection, your Reddit experience will be customized according to your preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to control NSFW content visibility on Reddit. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.